Good day in home, I'm your host, Will and Cloud, and welcome back to Mazda 6, obviously. And today, we're gonna do something a little fun. Something easy to modify. It's an easy modification, which will bring the car from 2010 to 2020-ish. It's a small, not really that noticeable mod, but for you and for others, it will make a huge difference. Now, many of you will say, like, you just said it's not really that noticeable. Yeah, because other cars have it already. So basically the newer cars have it, but people won't notice it because this is 2010. So, it's on the border. But let me show you what it is. This is an LED, white LED, interior kit. So basically this is for all these lights. I'll show it to you. See, these lights are orange now. They are orange and we can turn them into white. So each light, before I do them, I'll switch them on, switch off. Once I change them, I switch them on for you. So remember this one? They're orange. So let's switch it off. And how you can remove them. You see right here. Here's a place. There is like a slot, a tab in the glass that you can remove them. And the tools you're gonna need is just some trim removal tools. This is not harder than plastic itself, so this is plastic. So if you take there, put the plastic tool there, just pry it up and away, you will see that it slides out fully. See, it slid out. And if you continue, there you go. See how it's holding on? So that's how this is hold on. Put it somewhere safe. And we need to replace this one. So this, you can just pull the tab, this one, pull a little here, come out. I see there's a screwdriver thing you can use, but I'll just take it out like this. So we need to replace this bulb. This bulb is the thing that's we need to replace. On this set, it looks like one of these. Yep, looks the same. Now we just pop it in there. Boink. Then slide this one in. Come on, come on. Don't do anything bad to me. And make sure that these point towards you. A little down, I would say. Now let's take this and put it back in how it was. So basically this was going in first, it was going in there, then this just pops in. There you go. White. Look at that, that's a huge difference from that to that. Oh yes, this looks good. And it's the same procedure. You just take the trim removal tool, you stick it in that slot there. There's a slot, you can see it right there. There's a slot. So basically you put it in there, just spray it. Yeah, and punk. There you go. There is the other side. So this, we put it here. For now we put it there. Now we need another one. Come here, come here, come here. Yes, good boy. So this we're gonna exchange for this. It's a bit stuck. You can actually simply just push this tab. You can simply push this tab where it's holding up until it just falls out. See, it fell out. There you go. And let's push this one in. And boink. So basically put this one in first and then slide that one in. So try not to touch the LEDs themselves. If it doesn't sit right or sit properly, just use the tool to pray it up. And if you... Lovely. Beautiful. And now we put the cap on here. 2 points where it slides in, and lovely. And now, oh yeah, oh yeah, Now let's go do it on the back. And it doesn't even flicker. Nice. Let's take this with us and this trim removal tool. Hold up. Hey, we have still the doors. And for the doors you can see right here is the slot. So you push it in. Oh, be careful. Just comes out himself. It's a bulb. Motherfucker, and it's hot. It's hot. Yeah, we do it later on when the battery is out. For now, we can leave it. I don't want to burn my hands because that burned my fingers already. Welcome in the back of the car. And this actually is more comfortable than the front. Now this one, look, it's the same. It's orange. Nobody likes that orange. So we're gonna pray again in the same place until it comes out. And once it comes out, now it's time for you to clean this off if there is something inside like flies. And this takes just a normal one. So if you just pull that one, come here, you little bastard. No, lovely. It came out and it rolled behind my ass. Cook, where did you go? Hello, it's no time to play hide and seek. Where the fuck did you go? Okay, never mind, I know how it looked like. Basically we need this. One of these. So let's slide it in there then. It's really dark. I know it's dark and you can't really see that well. I can't even aim it properly. I need 2 hands for this. I'm sorry guys, but I need 2 hands. Here, have this view. Because I need 2 hands, I cannot. Come on, you bastard. Come on, you sick fuck. It's not in properly. Don't break anything. I don't want to break anything. I just want to slide this in the hole. Ah, that's what she said. Just want to slide in the hole. And lovely, look at that. And now we can put back the tabs. Boink, boink, and boink. Lovely. Oh, how nice it is. Oh my god. Okay, 1 and 2 for doors, 3 more. 3. I guess you are missing some. Okay, let's go to the back of the car. This hatch has another one. See? So the same way, here is the tab. It's I think the same as the back. Now it popped. It's exactly the same as the back. So put it down. I can put this on here. Maybe glove box one's just burnt out. And this we will put it in this place. Oh, this one's easier. This one's just pull up the sides. See? The sides to pull. Hold up. Hi. Basically you need to do this. Okay, never mind. You can do that. Maybe like this. Basically what you have to do is, where's the bulb, you have to stick behind and just spray it out a little, because then this will open. So it means to put it back in, to put this back in, it's easy as pie. Because you just align it and push it in. And it clicks in. And now, awesome. I love this way Mazda built this. Then we can just check. Yeah, it's all good. And put it back into place. There you go, lovely. Awesome. Now let's try the passenger's door. There you go. Come out, come out. Okay, there's the bulb. Now I don't know what kind of thing you need to do. You need to pull. Yeah, basically you need to pull out. Basically you need to take it, grab it and pull it out. See? It's right there. See? You grab it, you pull it out. And now we need... And the replacement for that is this one. This bulb. So basically now you just slide it in there. Just make sure it fully bottoms out. There you go. That should be all. It's in there. Feels like it's in there. And now the lip, this lip on the bottom, and put it straight back in. Come on, go back home. Go back where you belong. There you go. Lovely. That's good. So there you go. That's it. We did the main lights and they look awesome. They look amazing. If you like this video and this easy mod, of course smash that like button, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!